2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome is a rolling palace on wheels. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement of luxury and power combined. From the outside, the sleek aerodynamic design, massive body, and chrome detailing instantly show it's built for those who want to travel in first-class style. The 2026 model has taken things even further, with advanced engineering, elegant design upgrades, and technology that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. The LED lighting system, integrated cameras, and newly designed panoramic windows make it look like something out of a billionaire's dream. Inside, the magic begins. Step through the automatic door, and you're welcomed by handcrafted interiors, with premium leather furniture, marble floors, and real wood cabinets. Every inch of space is built with purpose and style. The living area has an L-shaped luxury sofa, a massive smart TV, ambient lighting, and a hidden sound system that gives cinema-level audio. The ceiling has a custom starlight effect that makes night drives even more magical. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with full-size stainless steel appliances, induction cooktop, smart fridge, microwave oven, wine cooler, and more. The solid surface countertops and stylish backsplash make cooking feel like you're in a high-end apartment. And don't forget, everything is voice-controlled too, from lights to blinds to entertainment. The bedroom is a private 5-star suite. A king-size memory foam bed with climate control settings, touch-screen panels on both sides, and 4K TV makes you never want to leave. Plus, the motorized lift-up storage under the bed adds both convenience and space. The walk-in closet has built-in organizers, soft LED lighting, and a full-length mirror. The bathroom is split with a double vanity, rainfall shower with body jets, and an automatic toilet with seat warmers and bidet function. Everything is clean, modern, and luxurious. Even the tiles are heated for cold mornings. Under the hood, the 2026 Prevost is powered by a Volvo D13 engine, delivering strong and efficient performance. Whether you're cruising the highway or going uphill, the ride stays smooth thanks to advanced suspension and smart braking systems. The cockpit is fitted with digital cluster, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree camera system. It's a driver's paradise too. The storage compartments outside are climate-controlled and can be accessed remotely. There's even a built-in outdoor entertainment area with a TV, speakers, and mini fridge for tailgate parties or roadside chilling. Solar panels on the roof and large battery packs help you stay off-grid longer with full power. The 2026 version proves once again why it's considered the Rolls-Royce of the RV world. And while the price may be steep, every inch of it feels worth it. This isn't just travel, it's living. Subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more stunning reviews on luxury wheels, motorhomes, and everything that moves with class and power.